Moderna have today announced results from their preliminary trial data suggesting that their vaccine has an effectiveness of 94.5%. This is another encouraging step forward. Although I stress that this is preliminary, the safety data is limited, and their production facilities are not yet at scale. Should this latest vaccine be approved, the doses would be available from spring next year. And I can announce that we have today secured an initial agreement for 5 million doses of the Moderna vaccine. This is a similar RNA technology to Pfizer-BioNTech, of which we've already ordered 40 million doses, which, should that be proved to work, can come on stream potentially before the end of this year.
Whether any vaccine is going to work is simply unknowable until the data have been looked at. And nobody's looked at the data at this point in time. It is the same for all of the vaccines still in phase 3 that have not read out. Nevertheless, pretty much all of the vaccines around the world that are in development are targeting the coronavirus spike protein.
You know, the Prime Minister going into self-isolation is an absolutely clear demonstration that everybody, no matter who you are, needs to follow the rules. If you're asked by NHS Test and Trace to self-isolate, that it is absolutely vital that you do. And the Prime Minister is demonstrating that through his personal leadership in following those rules. So, of course, we keep those things under review, but we're not at a stage to be able to make any changes yet. The answer is that it is too early for us to know what the number of cases will be as we come to the end of the current lockdown. I might ask Susan to add a few more details. But what I'd say is that at the moment, most of the tests that we're getting back and most of the positive cases are from around the time when the lockdown came in. And so we are yet to see in the data, and it's too early to expect to see in the data, the impact of the second lockdown. But we absolutely hope to be able to replace the national lockdown with a tiered system similar to what we had before. But we, of course, are assessing that and assessing how we can make sure that that will be effective.